Good morning, Bali. We're gonna have a breakfast now.
It's beautiful day in Lovina, North Bali, and we wake up late. And then many of you may be asking why you didn't do a dolphin tour. Well,
We made it already many times, actually. It's not our first time in North Bali or in Lovina, so we will show you something different today anyway. So I hope so you will enjoy.
so Lovina is not only about dolphin tour, right?
Exactly.
So, all right, so it's very beautiful morning, and then look at that. The fishermen just came back from the ocean. It's beautiful. This is what I love about the life in North Bali. The authentic life. I mean, like how the fisherman goes to the ocean. It's very nice.
We are going to Singaraja to show you today how it looks like in Singaraja. We never make a vlog in Singaraja actually, but on the way to Singaraja from where is the villa and to Lovina is so many interesting things, like for example this one, the famous Krishna, what is it actually?
Krishna water, fantastic land. So this place used to be a very high place in Singaraja. You know, like this is kind of a theme park. So many stuff there inside, ole shop, and also a theme park, roller coaster. I've been there before, but I don't know, now it's open. It says like Hore mulai Juli 2021, so it means it's open, but it's not as busy as before.
All right, we are in Singaraja right now. Well, Winnie will talk more about Singaraja because she used to study here for 4 years. Can you imagine that? Only one thing what I can say is before Denpasar, the Singaraja was the capital city of Bali. And it's super hot here. It's the feeling like in Dubai or so, but it's definitely 5 degrees more than in Denpasar or South Bali because it's 9 o'clock and I'm already melting. Look at my forehead. It's so hot.
Okay, so this one is called Pantai Pelabuhan. That is a very famous and long time ago. It's just a piece of history, like Damian said. This place used to be, Singaraja used to be the capital city of Bali and then moved to Denpasar. And this bridge, lots of history because, you know, like long time ago, I think in the Dutch colonialized Indonesia, so many ships coming from that ocean to this area. So that's why over there is one place, it's called the Sunda Kecil. I will show you later on.
All right, the bridge is over there, and also here is the most symbolic park in North Bali, and this is the symbol of Buleleng, which is the North Bali, right, honey?
Yeah, so as you see that statue, a Dutch colonialized Indonesia, I think from long time ago. You can read in Google about history of the, what is it, Pantai Pelabuhan. I'm so sorry, I'm not a history teacher, and then when I was a high school student, I got a D or C for history, to be honest. All right, just the building right behind me, guys. So this is the Museum Sunda Kecil. Like I told you before, this place has a lots of histories behind, but today, unfortunately, it's closed.
All right, and we're gonna go now to show you a little bit of the temple in Singaraja. As you see, the sign, it's pretty beautiful.
So, like I told you before, I used to study in Singaraja for about 4 years, and then I went here in 2008, and you see so many differences, so many changes, and I always came here to this temple to do Chiamsi. Okay, so I did a Chiamsi before. It's just like when you pray and then you ask the God, and then maybe like if you have ever watched in the Kung Fu Hustle when the guy doing the same like that, you know, when the shake the stick. This is also what I do, and then I pray, and then yeah, after that the guy there asked me to read what is it, the meaning, number 23.
And what is the meaning?
The meaning is that in this year, some is the good luck, some is the bad luck, and then they said that yes, something good.
Something good will also happen, right?
With something good will also happen.
Alright, so here is the little bit of shot of the city center in Singaraja, actually east part of the city center.
And then as you see over there, that is called Taman Sunda Kecil, if you see the sign. And then you see the building behind, it's just like the Dutch colonial style still. Okay, so we arrived in Singaraja city center. You see that the statue there is Singa Ambara Raja statue. So that's why this city is called Singaraja. We are heading to the old town of Singaraja.
And I know maybe for someone who is not really familiar, every city center in the Pasar Singaraja or Ganya looks similar, and somehow it's true, but it's different.
Yeah, this is called Jalan Diponegoro, and then this is the the center of the trade in Singaraja. On the right side is the famous market, the Singaraja market or Pekan Beleleng. And yeah, on the left side also many shops, and yeah, seems like the life in Singaraja is
as usual.
As usual.
Actually, because before the current situation, if we were in Singaraja, and I could say the life in the city center here is the same. Not much different. Business as usual, I could say.
Yeah, this area is especially also famous for the acculturation of the culture. I mean, like based on the history, the acculturation of the Muslim cultures and Hindus cultures, and also Chinese culture. And yeah, you see the building also still with the Dutch colonial style.
Wow.
My goodness, even McDonald's now in Singaraja. When I was in Singaraja, there is just like nothing. And Singaraja is famous for the city for the students, Oh my goodness. So right in front of me is my school. It was just like 13 years ago and the building already changed. This is called Singa Ambara Raja statue. Welcome to Singaraja. So on the left side is the famous statue Panji Sakti Singaraja. So this is the symbol of the heroes of North Bali. We just arrived in one coffee shop in Lovina. It's beautiful place. It's very cozy place, and then we order what is it called? Hot cappuccino. It was very hot outside, and I just show you the garden. They have also garden, very nice green garden. So this area basically for those who want to smoke, and then there's is the swimming pool. It's very nice, green. Alright, so we just arrived home, so tired, and then yeah, at home there's staff there cooking for dinner.
Hello. Okay. I'm cooking. Hello. How are you today? And we'll be cooking. Oh, so hot.
Alright, so maybe this is the difference, whenever you stay in the villas and in hotel, but in the villas you have someone who is ready for cooking, like to maintenance the garden. So it's good. Right home and the food will be ready.
Honey, what are you doing?
I'm eating.
That's
So
good.
hungry.
Tasty nasi
Very hot and
mie
tasty
goreng.
mie goreng. Oops.
Oops, be careful, honey.
Smells so good.
Looks
Selamat
very
makan.
good. Smacznego, kochanie.
Dziękuję. Selamat makan. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today in North Bali. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya. Take care,
Bye.
guys.